Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply window film. First, gather your tools: a spray bottle with soapy water, a squeegee, a utility knife, and a measuring tape. Next, clean your window thoroughly. Use a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth to remove all dirt and debris. Finally, measure your window precisely. Cut your film, leaving about 1 inch of extra material on each side for trimming later. This preparation ensures a smooth application. Now for the application. Liberally spray the entire window surface with your soapy water solution. This allows you to slide the film into position. Next, carefully peel the backing liner from the film. As you peel, continuously spray the adhesive side of the film with the solution. This prevents the film from sticking to itself and keeps it workable. Gently place the wet film onto the wet window, starting from the top edge. Once the film is on the window, it's time to smooth it out. Use your squeegee, starting from the center and working outwards, to push all the water and air bubbles towards the edges. Overlap your strokes to ensure complete coverage. Next, carefully trim the excess film using a sharp utility knife and a straight edge along the window frame. Finally, wipe down the window and film with a clean cloth, checking for any remaining bubbles or loose edges. For the best results, allow your newly applied window film to cure for at least 3 to 5 days. During this time, avoid cleaning the film to ensure proper adhesion. For future cleaning, use only non-abrasive cleaners and a soft cloth to prevent scratching. This will help maintain the film's appearance and longevity. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.